Okay, year 10. So if you've come on here to look for a hint, the first thing you need to do is to draw a tree diagram as you see on the screen. You're going to need to figure out what the probabilities are, and the first ones are going to be coming up soon, so if you don't want them, pause. Okay, we are out of 11. There are 11 of these buttons in the bags, and the probabilities are just 7 over 11 and 4 over 11. That's the first thing you need to do. If you want to go on and finish this from here, pause the video. Okay, the next step is to write the second phase probabilities in. It's important to remember when we've removed a white button, we only have 6 white buttons left and 10 in total. So we still have 4 black buttons. And likewise, if we choose the black button first, we only have 3 remaining. That gives you all 4 of the probabilities. Now you must get the 4 over 7 and the 7 over 10, the 4 over 10 and the 7 over 10 correct, because the question is asking for a button of each colour. There's 2 ways you can get a button of each colour, and we are going to calculate each of those separately and then add them together. On the right hand side, you can see our answers are coming out as 28 over 110 unsimplified. If you do simplify them, they will simplify to 14 over 55. If we add those together, we end up with 28 over 55, or 56 over 110. Both are correct, but the circled one is simplified. I'd like us to quickly take a look at the mark scheme so you can see where the answers are, where the marks are coming from. The first mark that you get is for getting both of the probabilities correct as the second probabilities. They are the 2 ones I said you had to get right, and that's why you will get a mark for them. The next thing we're looking for is for you to multiply those 2 probabilities through the probability tree and then attempt to add them together. And the last mark is for actually doing so successfully, so getting 28 over 55.